None. Today, space enthusiasts, we're diving into breaking news. NASA is on high alert as two gigantic asteroids are hurtling toward our planet at mind-boggling speeds. First up, we have asteroid 2024 QG. It measures approximately 130 feet in diameter. It will pass Earth at a distance of about 1,030,000 kilometers, approximately 640,000 miles. Next, meet 2024 AR-10, although slightly smaller than 2024 QG, with an estimated diameter of 92 feet. 2021 RA-10 will make an even closer approach to Earth at a distance of around 1,620,000 kilometers, approximately 1,007,000 miles. Imagine a race car on steroids. Now, you might be wondering, should we be worried? NASA assures us that while these asteroids will come close, they're not expected to hit Earth. But it's a stark reminder of the endless dance we're part of in our solar system. So if you're a space buff, keep your eyes on the skies and stay tuned for more updates. And don't forget to like and subscribe for the latest in space news. This is LG News, keeping you informed and awestruck. See you next time and stay curious.